This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Suzanne Simpson. Less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, LIC number 01012112. Pristine Mountain Home. You will be in awe at this 3-bedroom 2-bath all-level home with 1,482 square feet. On a 0.35-acre lot with attached 2-car garage. Living is easy in this impressive home with open floor plan, sleek and stylish kitchen featuring granite countertops, Vans cabinetry, huge island and recessed lighting. This home has many custom upgrades such as whole house generator, central heat/air, 2 skylights and 3 sun tunnels, Anderson windows throughout, gorgeous ceramic tile flooring, river rock enhancements and water conserving plumbing fixtures. Bathrooms have also been upgraded with granite and new cabinetry. Master bedroom has a private entrance to the deck and covered porch for your outdoor enjoyment. Convenient access to the rear covered deck from the kitchen and dining room, including the jetted hot tub which comes with the home. Extra large storage/workshop building in the backyard which is completely fenced and on an automatic drip system. Attached garage has tons of storage plus a large loft, separate carport and tons of parking including space for a RV. You will not be disappointed with this incredible home, so give us a call today. For more information, review the details below or contact Suzanne Simpson. Less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, LIC number 01012112 at 209-586-5200.